So let's give it a go of the infamous Careless Whisper saxophone introduction. Now, this is just a piano arrangement by me, so you can take these fingering suggestions. If you know how to sight read or read these notes already, I suggest you just to give it a go yourself first and see how it comes along at the end. Feel free to copy me if you're not too sure about these rhythms, if you're very new to sight reading. And if you just want to learn these songs, really, I'd say copy me for now, and eventually you'll be able to follow along on your sheet music. So let's start off. This is what it will sound like, hopefully by the end of this video and after a few hours of practice. Hopefully not too many hours. Hopefully that's what it will sound like by the end of this video, or before you reach part 2. So let's start off. Very basic, the left hand. So I'm using the fingering 1 and 5 for a lot of these. Occasionally, I would use a 4th finger. So your left hand is always going to have these 2 notes, D and E's, G and D. Then you go to an A, B flat, and F. I'm only saying the names if you want to know what they're called. If you don't care about the names at all, you can just copy me, but I'm just saying it out loud. So in case you actually need to learn what these keys are called, I'm actually helping you there. And then A and E. Okay. Oh, I hear a saxophone next door. Maybe they can play this. But anyways, right hand, starting off with E. You know what? Let me play this through first. So it's a pretty straightforward run. 5, 4, 3, 5, 4, 2, 1. And I'm holding the first note longer. So when you put this together with left hand, I forgot the left hand time. That's the thing, make sure your second left hand note comes in after. So here's the beginning again. It's pretty simple, these 2 bars. And then we're keeping the same shape in right hand, but we're moving and starting from C, a bit lower down, to a B flat, to a F, to a D. So with your left hand on G and D, you can try this slowly. There's no need to play it fast. So if you want to do it at this speed, that's all good as well. And then when you get to this next bar, we're starting from B flat. So I'll play it slower. So I'm going from 4 on the B flat, actually yeah, 4, 3 on the A, 2 on the F, thumb on the D, twist my hand over with the second finger on the B flat. So it sounds like, and if I put the left hand, hopefully you still remember the left hand notes. So again, same sort of rhythm. Long, short, long, short, long. There's always a lot of long notes just to be prepared for. So we'll just try that bar. I'll try it slowly. So this is your reference. So hopefully it sounds all right from that point upwards. And this is the easy stuff. Right hand A, B flat, C, D, E together, F, G, A. So when you play this at normal speed, it sounds like. And when you're fluent with these two bars, I'd suggest, shook the camera a bit. When you're trying this, or when you're quite familiar with this, it's good, but just be careful of your rhythms. And if you're following this along and it's a little bit tricky for you, practice following just 2 bars at a time. So you can just do, you can go slower, but I'd say go at the pace where you're not forgetting about the rhythm. And just work on that a few times, and then you can move on to the next 2 bars. So hopefully this all sounds fluent. This sounds like you remember it, and it doesn't sound like an atrocity. But if you have any troubles, please let me know in the comments below. I will have a look at them, and I will respond back to all of them, or the good ones at least. But generally, hopefully it shouldn't be too tricky, and I'll make part 2 available soon, and you should be able to follow that along if you found part 1 pretty useful. Anyways, thanks again. I'll see you in the next video.